What's going on, guys? Back with another video. Today I'm just going to be doing a real quick unboxing slash product review, seller review. I picked up a diffuser on eBay a few days ago from Taiwan. It's one of the eBay diffusers for the Corolla Hatchback. First and foremost, the shipping on this thing was like ridiculously fast. I ordered on the 26th of May. It was here yesterday, which was the 30th of May. Also a holiday, which I was really surprised that they even shipped it on a holiday, but came via DHL. So yeah, 4-day shipping from Taiwan. Really impressed on that. I wasn't really in a rush to get this. I'm still waiting on the exhaust to be manufactured. The company's just waiting on a few parts to come in so that they can finish the production on them. But that might be by the end of the month, hopefully, and then we'll get this diffuser installed. But yeah, seller, as far as I'm concerned, as long as the product is stacked up like it should, yeah, I'd be pretty pleased here. I got this for $229. It's unpainted, and they have a painted version that's like $379 or something like that. I opted for the aftermarket one, more or less because of the cost of it. Tom's Racing's got one out there. It's like $600-700 or something like that, and I really made it kind of hard to spend that kind of money on a piece of plastic. I've bought other name brand diffusers in the past that were several $100s less than that. So I don't understand why the high price on that. But anywho, nothing against Tom Racing or whatever, but that just seems kind of ridiculous for an unfinished item just like this. You know what I mean, for $229. So yeah, we'll just I want to take do a quick little unboxing here. We'll take a look at it and see how it stacks up. Yeah. But yeah, hopefully I get the exhaust here so we can get this set up as well. All right, so what do we got here in this box? Looks like two little side pieces, little winglets or whatever, I guess, the left and right side. I'm not going to be installing these. I don't have the side skirt pieces or the front lip that would match this, that has these little winglets on the side. You know, they have the rocker panels and the little trim pieces for the rocker panels and the front lip that have this kind of style to them. But I don't have those pieces as of now. I don't plan on installing those. So these will just kind of sit off to the side. Maybe down the road, if I decide to, I'll install them. But yeah, let's see here. What else? We got a little bag here. Looks like yeah, some hardware, some fasteners. Also, it looks like they got some nice OEM or OEM style, I guess, push-on clips, plastic clips. Some self-tappers, a couple bolts. I'm not sure about these self-tappers, what those exactly would be used for, but I can tell you right now, I'm probably not going to use those. I'll probably try to finagle something here to use an actual OEM like type push clip. Manufacturer, I'm kind of picky when it comes to that kind of stuff. Manufacturer wouldn't install a sheet metal screw like this or a self-tapper, so I don't think I'm going to either. I'll see if there's an option out there or something. I'll come up with something, but and I'll put a video up on that when I get this installed. I'll show you what I did here once I figure that out. But looks like it also comes with some double-sided adhesive, some foam adhesive, which from other videos that I've seen, the top part of this is actually going to be double-sided. The bottom part looks like it uses fasteners, and then you put a double-sided up on the top around the border, and then that actually affixes right to the bumper, the gloss black part of the bumper. Now, if it's anything like any of the other aftermarket or generic foam tape, which it probably is, it's probably some cheap adhesive or whatever, I'm not even going to probably use this. I've got a roll of 1/2-inch wide 3M VHB, which if you don't know, it's the 3M branded double-sided foam tape. VHB, it stands for very high bond. Stuff is extremely strong. A lot of manufacturers actually use it Auto manufacturers use it to install a lot of body panels or spoilers or whatnot. Yeah, really strong stuff. So I'm going to probably end up just using that. I already got a roll of it from another project, so I'll probably just use that, and that way I know it's going to be secure. I'm not going to have to worry about it ever peeling off or, you know, out there washing it with the pressure washer and it blasts off, loosens up or whatever. But you know, I'll show you a little bit about that when the time comes. But you know, take a look at this piece right out the box here. Feels pretty durable, nice and solid. Looks like it's got, you know, it was a two-part piece. They like fused it together here. Condition is nice. Got a couple little minor, you know, marks maybe from shipping and handling or whatever. Nothing too crazy or out of the norm. Got a couple spots here where it's kind of raised a little bit where they fused the two parts together like a seam. Not a big deal, but I'll be honest with you, I was kind of hoping that I might be able to just install it as is. I know a few people out there, I guess, have just installed them unfinished. The seller actually recommends not installing it like that to get it finished, which is probably why, you know, you're going to have some little minor imperfections on it. So I think probably what I'll do is just get some 1K flat black paint and prime it up a little bit, sand it down, you know, kind of get it prepped up, prime it real quick, and then just throw some flat black on it just to kind of clean it up, maybe flatten these down, level this stuff out a little bit, some of these high spots where it's been seamed together or whatever. But just, you know, just kind of give it a little bit more of a cleaner, finished look. But yeah, overall, nice, you know, it's a nice solid piece of you know, ABS plastic right there. So for $229, you know, I don't think you can beat it, you know, shipped. So, but yeah, that's it. I'll leave a, like I said, I don't know if I said it or not, but I'll leave a link in the description on the seller that I got this, the eBay seller that I got this from, and the auction. And if you're in the market, you know, this seems like a good alternative here for sure. You know, like I said, over the more expensive type. And honestly, I think if you really were, you know, not too concerned about it, you could install it just like this. But like I said, I think I'm going to just paint it up and give it a little bit more of a finished, cleaner look. But yeah, stay tuned. I'll have another video coming up here momentarily, probably by the end of the week, hopefully, if everything goes right. I'm waiting on a couple of parts to arrive tomorrow, and we'll be lowering the center of gravity on this car. So if that gives you any kind of a clue, and giving a little bit better of a stance. So stay tuned for that video, and like I said, at the end of the month, hopefully I'll have the exhaust for it, and we'll get this diffuser and exhaust, and I'll throw up a little video on that as well. So if you like what you see, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. Thanks for watching.